Hello, 2 minute tutorial. I'll be done in 2 minutes. I'm at the Google homepage. I can see I'm signed in over here, and I'm going to go to my Gmail. Dude. Here I am in Gmail. Some people say, how did you get your Gmail inbox to look blue? Very simple. Once you're in your inbox, you go to the gears, and you go down to themes. And you can choose any theme for the background of your inbox, including down here, photos. Choose from your own photos. So I'll choose wood, this wood one here. Save. Now I have a wood theme. If I'd like to choose from my photos, I go down to themes. I click my photos, and I can pick a photo. And then my desktop is the photo from my file. Oh, horrible picture of me. I'm changing it back. Go to the gear, go to themes, pick anything you like. I'll pick a solid color. Save. And you're done. So now you know how to change the look of your Gmail inbox in less than 2 minutes.